welcome to our YouTube channel, Oaks and Company. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today's a little bit of a different video because we got a camper. Yay! We have been wanting this camper for a really long time. We got an R-Pod 189, so I'm going to show you the outside of it and the inside of it. And thank you for hanging out with us, and make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button and the bell and all that good stuff so you'll see our upcoming videos. Okay, as I was saying, we got the R-Pod 189. This is the camper that we've really been wanting, and we finally found one in stock, so we decided to just go ahead and take the plunge. So I'm gonna just kind of walk you around the outside and take you on the inside and let you see it. And Matt is already enjoying himself sitting under the awesome awning. Alright, so the first thing I need to show you is this super duper cute decal that I got on Amazon. I'll link it down below, for our trash can. It says trailer trash. I thought it was so cute. And I picked this up at Dollar General. I thought it was so cute. And I'll show you kind of the outside. It's got the LED lights up here and the awesome awning. And there's our mat again. The R-Pod is by Forest River, as you can see. If there's background noise, I'm sorry. I am at the lake, so you're probably gonna hear some boats and air conditioning and all that kind of thing. So our camper does have a slide, and our kitchen is in the slide. I did not want a camper without a slide that was going to be this small. So we drive a Jeep Wrangler Sahara, and we had to have something that we could pull, and the R-Pod was light enough for us to pull. So that's one of the reasons why we chose it. Now I know men would be like, oh, look at this and that and this and that, but I care about the inside. So yeah. It has all the hookups outside. It does not have an outdoor kitchen. That's fine. I have a Blackstone grill. So we just have like an ice chest here, and then that is my fishing pole. I love to fish. Okay, now for the good part. Let's go inside. So when you first come in, there is a dining set that goes right here. It's 2 legs and a table, and I did not want the actual dining booth, so I opted for that. And I wanted to make sure that we had a couch to relax in the evening. So here's our little couch. It's so cute and so comfy. It has storage underneath, and then it folds into a bed too. Like it lays down like, kind of like a futon. So there's that, and there's plenty of windows. It's really well lit. It's small but spacious, and we love it so far. Last night was our first night staying in it. I love the flooring and everything because it kind of has like a farmhouse type vibe. So I do not like this material, and I'm going to recover that. But everything else was good. And here's our little kitchen that sits on the slide. And it has storage. It's made very small, and that's fine. And it has a sink. Little round sink, and I got like the little scrubber holder at Dollar Tree. And then I picked up some things at Target. I got that little plant at Target. I got these bar mops at Target, which are really cute. And I got that at Dollar General, which has dish soap in it. And here's our this is the stove, and I cooked bacon and eggs on it this morning, so it works great. I'm gonna get something to put my coffee in, but it's just me and Matt. I'm the only one who drinks coffee in our household, so I just have 2 coffee cups in here. I found this Keurig. It's a single cup Keurig. I thought it was so pretty, and I found it at Target. It was on sale. And then up here is where I have our dishes, and I found these at Target. They were like 79 cents a piece, and they match my Keurig, so I really loved it. I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta have those. And oh, ooh, that's loud. And then we have the microwave / convection oven right here. There's a little bit of a glare. And then we have the refrigerator, which I have packed to the brim because I have family coming to the lake today and we're gonna cook out. So I'll like give you just a little bitty peek in there. Lights up blue, it's so cute. And then I have some cupcakes hidden in the microwave so my brother doesn't know that I bought him cupcakes for his birthday. And it has this little wardrobe and then 3 drawers right here. There's some storage under here. It kind of goes back in there a little bit. A little bit of storage under the bed there. And then here's our, it has a queen bed. And it has 2 windows on either side of the bed. And it has like the rounded, has the rounded roof. Anyway, and we bought a mattress to go on top of the mattress that was in here that came with it because that mattress was awful. So we bought a foam pad mattress to go on top of it, like a memory foam. Anyway, there's quite a bit of foot room for us. And then it has a bathroom. Here's the air conditioning, in case y'all want to know. Here's all the little controls. And then it has a door on the bathroom, which I loved. And I forgot this up here right now, but I'm going to move it because I have something else to hang up there. But it's just a place to hang towels and stuff. I got that at Dollar Tree, and it's metal, in case you're wondering where I got it. And then it has a medicine cabinet, all the goodies stuff. You know, the toilet. But one thing I really liked about this one is it being so small, it has an actual shower. So I really loved that. The floor is not big enough to like keep the bath mat down, so I just fold it up and put it there, and then when we need it, we will use it. Let me see if I can. So that shower curtain magnetizes, which I love, so like there's not going to be a problem. Anyway, here's the shower. It has a skylight, so it makes it feel a little bit more open. But I just love that it was an actual shower. Alright, and then coming back out, facing the couch. I have the front door open. So whenever you first walk in, there is the control center for the radio. It's Bluetooth. It has speakers on the outside and on the inside, so that's awesome. It's wired for solar. Here's all of our control panel for the slide and all that kind of thing. Has a little TV, and then down here I put like some movies, and there's like a little bitty DVD player right there. And this here is just our, these are our charging cords that are hanging down there. And then all of our remotes.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. It was so fun to share this time with y'all of cooking and just relaxing and family time. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the bell for notifications and the like button, and also share my videos with your friends and family, and make sure that you're subscribed. Also, my second kitchen renovation series video will be coming out very, very soon. See y'all next time. Bye.